Hi, I'm Andrew and welcome to Dream Doors North Manchester. We're based in Prestwich near Heaton Park, which offers great accessibility from the M60 and Manchester city centre.
Hi, my name is Myfanwy and here at Dream Doors North Manchester we are a husband and wife team. And for those of you that don't know, Dream Doors are the UK's #1 kitchen makeover company.
From our Prestwich site, we cover a wide range of areas across Greater Manchester, such as Middleton, Radcliffe, Prestwich, Salford, Trafford and Carrington. We have over 1,000 different door, colour and style combinations, so there's no doubt that we can match your needs exactly.
When it comes to achieving your dream kitchen, here at Dream Doors we can do as little or as much as you need.
All our doors are made from the highest quality materials, and we also supply top of the range products like Samsung hobs and Blanco sinks and taps. Also here at Dream Doors we have an extensive range of worktops. We sell solid wood, quartz, granite and a range of laminate worktops that can meet every need.
I love that we can offer people a kitchen makeover in as little as 2 days, because we don't always have to take the whole kitchen out before we start. Sometimes all it takes is a simple door and worktop swap to completely change the look and feel of your kitchen. The added benefit of this is that it's environmentally friendly, as there's a lot less waste because you're not doing a full refit, and this is another reason why our customers love to come to Dream Doors.
Of course you can find us online, but we'd love to see you in our Prestwich showroom. The door is always open.